This is world-based lecture series by Professor Zhu in the 4.0 revolution. I will give you definition and also how to develop the Industry 4.0 business to lead global, business market. Now, what is Industry 4.0 revolution? As I know, in the 2000, early of 21st century, as manufacturing factories in all developed countries moved to low developing countries in Asia and Africa in search of cheap labor, there was an economy hollowing out of the developed world with job discharging. Now, to overcome this, German used the term Fourth Industrial Revolution for the first time in the world in 2010 to complete the concept of a smart factory with a global of 30% productivity improvement and successfully achieved the goal of manufacturing revival and economic growth goals. These achievements were recognized and introduced by Carl Schwab, who is chairman of the Davos Forum in 2016, leading to the spread of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Even the German Fifth Revolution, which was smart factory in 2017, was successful, but since then, the global economy, including Germany, has not yet escaped a long tunnel of economic recession, as well as developed and also developing countries around the world have not incorporated or developed the Fourth Industrial Revolution business into other industries such as smart city, smart farm, smart environment, smart disaster prevention, smart defense, etc. Then, what is the problem? I hope you read through in detail this slide and then you can ask me a question. As I said, the most important thing of in the 4.0 revolution is intelligent, not smart. Smart is the term of Industry 3.0 revolution. If you really wanted to make anything intelligent, then you need special technologies such as Internet of Things, sensor technologies. Then you can make as the same as organisms to get the intelligence. With these numerous economic, political, and scientific articles in reference to the current era of emerging high technology, they said more than just improvement to efficiency, but express a significant shift in industrial capitalism. So a part of this pace of industrial change is the joining of technologies that, such as artificial intelligence, gene editing, to advanced robotics, but blur the lines between the physical, digital, and biological world. Okay. When we say about the 4.0 revolution, then we can say there are several new, communication technologies such as IoT and also unmanned aerial vehicle, drone, humanoid robot, virtual reality, augmented reality, and also digital twin, 3D printing, so many, IT technologies. They are not the goal of in the 4.0 revolution. They are the just key element, key technology of Industry 4.0 revolution, as such as the other things, such as RFID, beacon, NFC, then also open platform, also LBS, ITLS, ChatGPT, and also theory of relativity, theory of quantum mechanics, and also several high-end economy theories such as metaverse economy or protocol economy, gig economy are also needed to make it intelligent in the development of in the 4.0 revolution by the super connection, by super convergence, and also by super intelligence. That is the goal of Industry 4.0 revolutions. This is the example of 4.0 revolution, such as unmanned driving vehicle or intelligent drones and also smart factories. With those intelligent things, such as vehicle or drone or smart factory, you can make intelligent anything, such as robotic infrastructures in smart city using ChatGPT with AI algorithms. Then how to develop, how to construct the Industry 4.0 product or business in your areas. As I said, the goal of Industry 4.0 is the intelligence with the digitalization, not smart, in Industry 4.0 revolution. Whenever you need Industry 4.0 revolution, you have to make intelligent organism as such as human beings. Then you need sensing mechanisms. Then you have to attach Internet of Things sensors to every object to make it sensing principles, and then with communication protocols, then you can connect your sensing organs to brains as such as human brains. Then your brain will be control center or management center with AI algorithms. At this time, ChatGPT-4 will replace all AI algorithms, and then this intelligent object, intelligent product will be response automatically based on Internet of Things and robotic principles. So when you do this kind of Industry 4.0 revolution, the most important thing why you failed to develop this Industry 4.0 revolution is because of lack of sensor technologies. I have already 11 smart sensor patents. With this Internet of Things smart sensor technologies, I can make anything in Industry 4.0 intelligent project, intelligent business with these sensors. Okay, this is the example of Industry 4.0 intelligent bridges. Well, as I said, this bridge can talk each other, and also this bridge has a kind of emergency, such as collapse, then it will automatically speak using speakers, and also they will show some emergency message in the VOD or screen board, and also they can communicate with traffic signal to stop the traffic flows. And also whenever you think about unmanned driving vehicle, this unmanned driving vehicle should communicate with transportation facilities using Industry 4.0 intelligent facility techniques. Okay, and also same principles in intelligent rivers. This is not smart rivers. Intelligent rivers should detect some problems for itself as the same as human beings, and automatically purify all the pollutions. This is the concept of intelligent rivers, not smart rivers. So if you do this kind of development of intelligent river, will lead the global market. And same thing, this is the goal of World Best 4.0 intelligent river platform. I explain in detail. You can stop this slide and then read through in detail, and then you can send me a question. And also, whenever you think about water resources in smart city, we can provide best principle of Feng Shui theory with quantum mechanics to arrange all the water related facilities to prevent any heavy rains or floodings and also drought problems. Okay, this kind of intelligent water facilities will communicate for themselves to prevent any problems. Okay, and also this is the example, intelligence with Internet of Things, they can automatically warning signal to nearby concerned people to evacuate in time. And also this is intelligent tunnels same problems. They can communicate among things, among facilities to make intelligent tunnels, not smart tunnels. And also smart, no. This is intelligent home or apart or building or resort, whatever it is. What is intelligent home and building? To make it happiest, more profit, more happiness, more, lovely, that kind of, wonderful things for all the, participants or all the citizens, all the family members in that buildings, so they can make connection, super connection to make it super intelligent for the, residents. This is an example for 4.0 intelligent building and home with community and family cares based on intelligent welfare in smart cities. You can provide this kind of intelligent facilities to get communication among peoples, among family members. Okay, this is, as I said, with this in the 4.0 revolution concept applied to smart city, that will be in the 4.0 symbiotic smart city. Symbiosis means living together. In this smart city, we need IoT, Internet of Things revolution, ChatGPT revolution, blockchain revolution, metaverse revolution will change everything in smart city based on in the 4.0 revolution concept. It will predict whatever it is. Then they'll automatically make a decision to prevent any problems for you. This is the concept of symbiotic smart cities. Okay, this will be explained later with another time. Okay, this is how to construct the world best in the 4.0 business and product. First, you need IoT sensings, IoT-based facilities, IoT-based infrastructures in smart city or your smart farming, smart defense, whatever it is. Then, second, ICBM-based. ICBM is the shorter Internet of Things, ChatGPT, blockchain, and metaverse based platform to protocol to control centers. So ChatGPT based intelligence in the control centers with best algorithms. At this time, as you said, we need fair and also reliable data that we have to apply blockchain technology. At this time, we have to change a little bit about blockchain's problems. So I call this blockchain, new blockchain as blockchain 2.0. With this concept, we can fully change every business, every product, every smart city in world best in the 4.0 revolutions. Okay, this is how to develop in the 4.0 intelligent things. As I said, you have to reduce all of these things by super connection, super intelligence, super convergence. Every business, every industry you can develop in the 4.0 revolution. If you have any question, please call me, please email me, and we can do better jobs for you. Okay, we can do it for you by the name of Higgs. Higgs is the human intelligence for green globe and speed. Actually, the quantum mechanics said Higgs is the God particle. This God particle Higgs will be here to help you to develop in the 4.0 revolution. Thank you very much for your attention.